Hello everyone, I'm Manojkumar, first year Computer Science Business System Engineering at Srinivas Institute of Technology. My topic is sunrise alarm clock. So let's begin with the introduction. A sunrise alarm is an alarm clock that wakes you up with light instead of sound. It also called as dawn simulator because it mimics the gradual brightening of the sun rising in the morning. When the light hits your lid, your brain is notified that it's morning and time to wake up. So how sunrise alarm clock works? Understanding how it works can help you create better habit to promote sleep and make it easier to wake up. For example, avoiding light exposure 2 hours before bedtime confirms the your circadian rhythm that you will be winding down for bed shortly. This lets your sleep cycle kick off hormonal changes, preparing you to fall asleep faster and stay asleep. On the flip side, by exposing yourself to light when you wake up, whether letting sun shine through your windows or by using a sunrise alarm, your body senses that it's morning and will commence its natural process to wake you up. So as you can see the prototype, which has a stand with a light and which have different options like snooze button, time set, brightness adjustment buttons. So this is the last part of the presentation, the conclusion part. A sunrise alarm clock into your morning routine can offer numerous benefits by waking you up gradually with simulated sunlight. These devices improve wakefulness and sleep quality. They align your body with its natural rhythm, reducing morning grogginess and enhancing overall energy levels. Say goodbye to abrupt awakings and hello to a refreshed start with the help of a sunrise alarm clock. So that's all for this presentation. Thank you.